Welcome to SumTime02. Today we're working with page 14 and the lesson is called Numbers 11. We're going to talk about multiplying by 10. Now, multiplying by 10 is easy. All you do is add a 0. Just add a 0. So, 10 times 1, add a 0, equals 10. 10 times 10, add a 0, 100. 10 times 100, add a 0, 1,000. 18 times 10, add a 0, 180. 180 times 10, add a 0, 1800 or 1800. 52 times 10, add a 0, 520. Easy, wasn't it? But how about multiplying by 30? 14 times 30. Well, first we can multiply 14 by 3. And we can split 14 into 10 and 4, because 10 and 4 makes 14. 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 4 is 12. 30 and 12 makes 42. Now we multiply by 10. And what do? We add a 0. So 42 times 10 is 420. Get it? What about multiplying by 20? That's easy too, because 20 is the same as 2 times 10. So if we want to multiply 36 by 20, first we multiply by 10. All we do is add a 0. 36 times 10 equals 360. Then we multiply by 2. 360 times 2 equals 720. That can be difficult sometimes. So it's sometimes easier if you can divide a problem into smaller problems like this. We'll take the same numbers. 360 times 2. Well, that's 360. So let's first multiply 300 by 2. That makes 600. And then we multiply 60 by 2. That makes 120. If we add them together, we get 720. We get the same number as we got before. You can, of course, solve the same problem in another way, like this if you like. 36 times 20. First, multiply it by 2. So 36 times 2 is 72. Because 30 times 2 is 60. 6 times 2 is 12. 60 and 12 makes 72. And then multiply by 10. 72 multiplied by 10 is 720. So it doesn't really matter how you do it, or which way you do it, or how you split the number up. The answer is always going to be the same. Okay? Here are some more for you to try. But I'll leave them to you. See you again soon.